Question 4. Don was negligently driving south on Murdoch Avenue when his car rear-ended a car driven by Patty. The force of the impact forced Patty to rear-end Terry's car. In turn, the force of the second impact caused Terry's car to hit a lamppost, which then fell on a house owned by Paul. The force of the impact scared Paul, causing him to immediately have a heart attack. Paul sues Don for negligence. If Paul recovers, the most likely reason is A. Paul was able to prove that Don proximately caused Paul's injuries. B. Paul was able to prove that the damages he suffered were actually caused by Don. C. Paul was able to prove that Don breached a duty of due care owed by Don to Paul. Or D. Paul was able to prove all of the above, A, B, and C. Now let's go review the question. What are the elements of negligence? Well, here they are. First, one is the defendant owed a duty of care to the plaintiff. 2. A defendant committed a breach of that duty. 3. The breach was the actual and proximate cause of the plaintiff's injury. And 4. The plaintiff suffered damages and must prove those damages. Now, based on all the facts, A, B, and C are incorrect because all of them satisfy the conditions for negligence. If we take a look back, Paul is able to prove that Don proximately caused Paul's injuries. Paul is able to prove that the damages he suffered was caused by Don, and he was able to prove that Don breached the duty of care that he owed to Paul. So the correct answer is D. He was able to prove all of the above.